In Microsoft Edge, how can you restore all of the tabs that are open in the previous session so you don't have to waste time going back and reopening everything yet again? Well, we'll be going through the process in this very video, so you know exactly how to do it. There are multiple methods, but by far the easiest one is just to use the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl, Shift and T, which will bring back everything. However, there's also a couple of other methods you can try. Another way of doing so is by right-clicking on a tab in the top of your screen, and then from this context menu that appears, you want to select Reopen Closed Window, or it can sometimes say Reopen Closed Tab if there's only a single tab active in the previous session. The third main way of doing it is via the History tab, so you can more easily keep track of what was actually open last time and say just restore some pages but not others. Or if you want snapshots of multiple previous instances of Edge, you can then select which tabs you want open. You can do all of that from the History tab. You get to it by first clicking on the three dots you see in the top right, and then once you do that, you want to head into History. And then once you are there, you want to head into Recently Closed. That would then bring up all recent collections of tabs. So the most recent one will be there at the top, which you can click, and it serves as a reminder of what will actually pop up if you do use that Ctrl, Shift and T shortcut. But then also you'll be able to find other collections of tabs if you want to open up any previous ones as well. However, you can also make it even simpler, because you can do it that Edge does it for you whenever you reopen a browser, so you don't even have to click on anything to get all of your tabs back. In order to set it up, what you want to do is click on those three dots in the top right, and then once you've done that, you want to head into Settings. Next up, what you want to do is look for Start, Home, and New Tab page here on the left hand side. Then once you have clicked on it, you will see a On Startup section at the very top on this next screen. And there you want to make sure that Open Tabs from the previous session is enabled. That way, whenever you open up Edge, all of the previous tabs are going to go back to the rightful place every single time. If you ever get tired of it, then you can always just go back to that menu and disable it again. So hopefully you have found this video on how exactly to restore tabs in Edge helpful. So if you did find it helpful, then well, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.